Welcome to Java Forum. Today we are going to see how to install Apache Tomcat 9 in Manjaro Linux 17.1 using Oracle JDK 9 and Oracle JDK 10, which is already installed. Before I start the installation, I give you the basic information about my system, and my system is Manjaro Linux 17.1 with kernel 4.14 with 8 GB RAM. So I have already extracted the Apache Tomcat 9 to my machine, and JDK 9 and JDK 10 already installed. So JDK 9 and JDK 10 has very big difference from previous versions of Java. So now I am editing the catalina.sh file of Tomcat 9 bin directory. So here I am pointing the JDK 9 as Java home in catalina.sh file. Save the file. From the Tomcat 9 latest update, that is here I am using Tomcat 9.0.10. So this version supports Oracle JDK 9 and Oracle JDK 10. So let us check what is happening. So I am going to bin folder of Tomcat, and I am going to start the Tomcat by executing startup.sh shell script. Yes, Tomcat is started, and you can see it's using JDK 9 as Java runtime. So I am ensuring by issuing ps-ef grep java command whether the Tomcat process is running or not. So grep Tomcat also will give you the same output. And also I will be checking the log files of Tomcat by tailing the catalina.out. So catalina.out shows that Tomcat is running in HTTP port 8080. So I am going to access the Tomcat console page in the browser. So Tomcat is up and running. So as usual, I am going to access the server status page. Yes, I can able to access the server status page. So here you can see all the environment settings related to Tomcat. So it's showing that JDK 9 is enabled by default. So I am able to access the web application manager, virtual host manager, everything. So let us execute the examples. So I am executing some of the examples. So it's running fine in Tomcat 9 with JDK 9. So Oracle JDK 9 supports Tomcat 9. It means Tomcat 9.0.10 is the current version of this Tomcat. So check the Tomcat documentation, which version of Tomcat 9 supports both Oracle JDK 9 and Oracle JDK 10. So now Oracle JDK 9 testing is completed. Now I am going to shut down the Tomcat. Then now I am going to point Oracle JDK 10. So Oracle JDK 10 also, which is already installed. So now I am going to edit the catalina.sh file in the bin directory. So catalina.sh, open it. So edit the Java home variable. So now the Java path pointing to Java home is JDK 10. Save the file. So restart the Apache Tomcat once again to enable JDK 10 features in Tomcat 9. Good. Now we can see the Tomcat started by using Java 10 as its runtime. So I am checking the log files of Tomcat once again. Yes, Tomcat running successfully without any errors in the log. So there are no warnings also. So again I am going to check by issuing the grep command. So running fine. So I have checked twice that Tomcat is running fine. So by again I am opening the console page, Tomcat console page. Yes, Tomcat 9 installation is successful by pointing to Oracle JDK 10 also. So server status page shows all the environment settings for this Tomcat 9. So I can able to view all the management console pages, virtual host manager, everything works fine. Now I am going to execute the Tomcat examples, which is already bundled in the installation. So this is the WebSocket example now running in Tomcat 9 with JDK 10. Yes guys, Tomcat 9 is running fine by using Oracle JDK 9 and Oracle JDK 10. So check what version of Tomcat you are using. So here Tomcat 9.0.10 is used with the Oracle JDK 9 and 10. Subscribe our channel guys. Goodbye.